intro.
Oh. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Thomas Resik. This is Matthew Peterson. Together we are Petersiks. Alright.
Is that intro gonna stick?
I like it, I like it. Came up with it in like 2 seconds.
Alright, today's video we have been sponsored by Headlight
Proudly sponsored.
US. Yes, proudly sponsored.
Proudly sponsored.
They contacted me and said, hey, Dum Dum, we like your videos, so might as well give us a little shout out, a little schmidge on your channel.
They didn't actually call us Dum Dums. They're professional.
I mean, if they did, I wouldn't matter. Like,
yeah, we're good.
You know, let it out.
We're good people like that. You know. We can take a little roasting.
Alright, but today we're going to show you the product. It's basically headlight restoration in 2 minutes. So we are going to test out their product, see how we like it, and give you a formal, good review on it. And see if we like it, basically. And see if we would recommend it to you, recommend it to whoever watches this. So, we are going to start on a 2004 Subaru Impreza, no, Subaru Outback.
Legacy Outback.
Legacy. Oh, I was wrong. Subaru Legacy. So, with that being said, we are going to start.
Alright.
Okay. Due to technical difficulties, why is that so close? We lost the first footage of the first headlight, but we still have the second nasty looking headlight, so that is a plus.
Yeah, this one's worse than that one was. This one, thanks again.
Thank them.
Yeah, thank you for sending us the
HeadlightRestore.us. Link in description.
Link in description, yeah. Thank you for sending us out the 3 samples for us to test out.
HeadlightRestore.us.
Yeah.
Clean that first headlight, looking beautiful. Now we are on to the
this one.
nasty one. So remember, first step, take the cleaning wipe.
Well, we don't have that footage, remember? We lost it.
Run over it. Got bugs and crap on it, so take that off. Oh, we got a nick on it too. That's from the...
That was from, you know, when, you know, Joyride. Someone drifting in the snow,
That's from the
aka my brother.
That's from the fire hydrant. So you take this wipe, you unfold it. This is the cleaner. So what are you gonna do is, my hands are still dirty. Take it, you gotta wipe it down.
Dude, you should do that spot you missed on the other one too.
This one?
Down here in this corner. And hit that spot that you missed on the other one.
What?
Remember you missed this little corner spot on the other one?
We got more wipes. Look how nasty that is. Oh, I can't even use that. Okay. So now, next step, wipe it. Get it off. It already looks a little bit better. Good.
Yeah, definitely cleaned a lot of it off.
Wipe my hand off.
Just trash can.
Well, no, it took everything off. Cleaned it off.
Yeah, this is my mom's car.
And this one will actually...
This one actually shines it and gets all that residue off. Remember,
Right,
this one says do not unfold this wipe.
Second wipe. Don't unfold it.
Alright, let's see. Let's see with the magic.
Moment of truth.
Oh, wow.
I mean...
Look at that, look at that. You see all of it just come off. This is an amazing product, guys.
Tom's good for selling stuff. It's not too bad, actually.
I can see that from here.
You see it?
Oh, wow.
It's pretty beefy, dude.
This is mint. This stuff is mint.
This is minty freshness. Perfect.
Jeez. Jeez Louise.
It's got that cleaner in them. I mean, you wipe your hands with it.
Alright, Matt. Let's hear your thoughts.
Let's hear her thoughts.
Mom, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think? What do you think?
Looks beautiful.
Improvement? Yes,
Yeah,
no?
you smell it?
Big improvement.
It's got cleaners.
You could actually see, if I showed you pictures of the first one, like that one right there before, you would have been like, oh crap.
It was completely hazed over. Thomas, I'm like in...
It's a good infomercial.
This is a good
Yeah,
infomercial.
but I'm in a.
Cooking row. All right, well, let's go.
She's cooking pasta for Sunday dinner.
All right, so thank you to our sponsors, HeadlightResto.us. Overall review of the product, good. Does its job well. Lives up to the name, easy in 2 minutes. As you see here, remember you gotta let it dry off for 24 hours, don't get it wet. If you want to dry faster, turn the headlights on, get the heat from the bulbs going. And that's literally about it. I mean, go there, buy their stuff if you want your headlights restored. We're gonna leave the link in the description. Comment, like, subscribe. That is Petersiksmotors, and we are off. I want to drive it.
All right, Mom. So we just did your
work?
headlights. What do you think?
Good, we're driving.
I'm so impressed with the product. I had both of my headlights were completely oxidized, especially the driver's side. I couldn't get any light out while I was driving, so I had to use the
fog lights, right?
fog lights so I could see while I'm driving. So watching Matt put the wipes on, it required no effort, and I could see that they are completely shiny now.
Would you recommend this product to a friend?
I would recommend it highly. 2 thumbs up.
5 stars out of 5 stars?
5 stars out of 5
All
stars.
right, thank you. All right, well, you guys heard it here first. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. All right.